Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing and using some of the products from the Hard Candy Girl Scouts collaboration collection. So if you would like to see what's inside this box or see the makeup tutorial, then just stay tuned. Hard Candy did send me this box to try. Inside the box, they sent over this cute makeup case. It comes in Girl Scout green and it says Hard Candy and Girl Scouts on the front. And you guys, look at how cute this little zipper is. It is Girl Scout cookies. So adorable. And then the bow on the top. This is such a cute carrying case. And inside this makeup carrying case is all of our goodies, but also a little pocket here that you can keep your makeup brushes in or whatever you'd like. And this is a huge carrying case, you guys. I cannot wait to travel with this. And then inside the carrying case, we have this adorable little headband here that has, I think those are Thin Mints on the front or on the top. Super cute. And then it says Hard Candy on the back there. We have a nourishing body oil, and this is in the scent Coconut Caramel, and this is warm and rich and nourishing, and it's just going to hydrate you. This smells so good, you guys. It is just an oil that you can rub all over your body, keep you nice and moisturized and smelling good. It smells like the Samoas or the coconut caramel cookies. It is so, so good. Next, we have the Milk and Cookies Primer. This is a hydrating milky serum primer. We have the Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub in the Thin Mints inspired flavor, and this is going to hydrate and condition your lips. Next, we have the Cookie Crush Coconut Caramel Shadow Palette, and this is inspired shades and scent. And it does slightly smell like cookies, and there are the shades. And then last but not least, we have 3 of the Sweet Treat lip oils. We have the Thin Mints, we have the S'mores, and of course the Coconut Caramel. There are a few more items that we did not receive that you guys can pick up exclusively at Walmart. There is a Coconut Caramel Cookie Headband, a Thin Mints palette, Coconut Caramel Lip Scrub, and it looks like they've got some brushes in this collection, as well as one of the little Girl Scout powder puffs. I use these all the time. I received these in the last collaboration that they did with Girl Scouts, and I just pop these in my purse, and I love how they're pointed and have the rounded edges. I use them all the time. So yeah, there are a few more items that we did not receive that you guys can pick up exclusively at Walmart. But without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial using the Hard Candy Girl Scouts collection. Okay, so first we're going to be using this Milk and Cookies Primer Hydrating Milky Serum. This has chamomile and squalane in it. It says Smooth Start Lightweight Oat Infused Primer smooths and preps your skin for makeup. Milky hydration, silky milky texture hydrates deeply, leaving skin soft and nourished. And then long-lasting finish, locks in moisture and creates the perfect base for all-day fresh makeup. And then this also says not only does it have squalane in it, but it also has hyaluronic acid and skin barrier replenishers to keep skin prepped and protected. So let's try this out. Looks a little something like this. As you can see, it is a very milky color. It smells good too. Now, while that primer really soaks into my skin, I want to use the Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub. This hydrates and conditions with sugar crystals and shea butter. This is in the inspired flavor Thin Mints. It says on the back, treat your lips to a sweet hydrating experience with our Girl Scout Thin Mints flavored sugared lip scrub. Real brown sugar crystals gently exfoliate lips, while shea butter and jojoba oil deeply nourish to leave your lips soft and smooth. So yes, while our primer really soaks in, we are going to use this lip scrub. Super cute. Looks a little something like that. And there is the lip scrub. Totally Thin Mints. Okay, so I totally forgot we should be using our headband. So this is the Cookie Rally plushie headband. Join the Cookie Rally fun with this sweet ultra plush headband, whether you're getting ready for the day or winding down for some self-care. This headband keeps your hair dry and frizz-free while adding a touch of cookie charm to your routine. Stretchy and comfy, it fits all head sizes and hair types, making it the perfect sidekick for your beauty adventures. So yes, I should have been using this. I totally forgot about it, but let's put it on right now. Oh my God, how cute. Absolutely adorable. I love it. So cute. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the Cookie Crush Coconut Caramel Shadow Palette. This is inspired shades and scents from the Samoa cookie or the caramel coconut cookie, I think they're calling it now. On the inside here, it says, I can, and she can, and she can, and she can, and she can, so on and so forth. And there are our shades. Super pretty. And it does have a slight cookie kind of scent to it. Okay, so I know that some of you remember the first Hard Candy Girl Scouts cookie collaboration. I do have that palette in front of me just so you guys can see. So here is the old palette. As you can see, there's some purples in there. And then here is the new palette. So you are getting a whole new palette. So if you bought from the first collection, this is a totally different collection. Kind of a revamped collection. So what we're going to start out with is this dark shade right here. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And just blend that towards the inner corner of the eye. Now I'm going in with this beautiful bronzy shade here. And I'm just going to place this right onto my lid, moving even further towards that inner corner. And then we're going to take this middle shade right here, which I believe can also be used as a highlighter. I'm just going to place this right into my inner corner as well as on my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to dip back into this shade right here. And we are just going to blend that down on our lower lash line area. Then I'm going to go back in with that dark, dark brown. And apply this right here. Then we are going to go back in with that highlight shade. And I'm just going to finish off my inner corner. All right, so now I'm going to take a little bit of that highlight shade and just highlight the high points of my face. This is such a beautiful highlight. And then for my lips, I'm going to take a little bit of Boyfriend. This is from Hard Candy. This is one of their lip liners, the Instapout lip liners. I absolutely love these. Some of my favorite lip liners. They're so creamy, so buttery. I'm just going to outline my lips, and then we're going to go in with the Sweet Treat Lip Oil, Sweet Hydration and Major Shine, Girl Scout S'mores Inspired Flavor Lip Oil. Oh my God, this smells so good. And there is our final look using the Hard Candy Girl Scouts new collection. Well, that is it, you guys, for this makeup tutorial using the Hard Candy Girl Scouts limited edition collaboration collection. Let me know down in the comments below if you will be picking up any of these products or items. These are exclusively at Walmart, you guys. So if you would like to pick some up, you can get them there or obviously on the Hard Candy website. You can support Girl Scout entrepreneurs by purchasing some of your favorite cookies. You can find a booth near you or order online at girlscoutcookies.org. I just want to say a big thank you to Hard Candy for sending me this collection to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.